Well, hey, thanks for checking out one of our videos here. This is not the normal video that I usually make. I usually make videos on how to fix electric fence equipment and cattle scales and low bars and stuff like that. But I thought, well, hey, this might be kind of a fun little video to maybe do. This is just a little a toy fire truck. We picked it up at it's called Savers. It's a little thrift store here in next town over. Got clothes and toys and all kinds of knick-knack stuff like that. And I paid $6 for this toy. Our oldest daughter, she's 3.5. She's really loves fire trucks and stuff like that. So it's going to be a Christmas present for her, here soon. And I said, for $6, I mean, these things are like $40 at Walmart or whatever. So we're gonna take a chance on $6. But even if it doesn't work, I think she'll get a kick out of it anyway. Because I just don't like paying full price for toys there at the stores, because I don't want to spend $40 on a toy. So, because they're going to outgrow it or they're going to break it, and like, well, those $40 down the drain. So I did put batteries in it here a little bit ago, and still doesn't come on. I noticed that one of the battery contacts is all rusted. Or well, there's a bit of it rusted, so batteries probably ate the thing up. So like this one right here is rusted a bit. The contact right there has got some rust. So it might just need to be cleaned, or we might have to see if we come up with some kind of other battery compartment thing like that, because you can get battery compartment things that hold 3, but I think this one's built into this plastic right here, so I don't know what to do there, but we might be able to maybe buy one of those 3-pack battery compartment things like that, and then get these little spring things out of there, and then slip new springs in there, and hey, that might be the ticket. So let's got some just contact spray here for electrical stuff. So we're going to spray those. I said I don't know if this is going to solve it, but it's worth a shot. It's the first thing I can do at the moment before I start digging in and taking the thing apart. So let me take the Dremel tool here. We'll start buzzing on it. Maybe I'll get a spray can of air real quick. Alright. These are brand new batteries, so just pulled them out of the thing. I was testing them, but it's probably okay. This is turned on. Still nothing. I don't think there's any other buttons anywhere you can press or turn or do anything with. I thought maybe this thing would flash lights, which can't tell if there's LEDs in there or not. Well, it still won't come on. It says 2004, so this has been around a while. So we'll take these off, and what I'll do is, let's see, it's about what 4.5, 5 volts there with those 3 batteries. So let's take a power supply. We'll crank that down to, we'll put 5 volts to it, and I don't know where see. I don't know. It's probably this one. This one's probably the last. It's probably where the main power comes in at. It still won't do anything with the power straight to it. So it's off. Let's take all the screws out. Oh man, they got those stupid tri-wing screws in it. They don't want you fooling with this thing, I guess. Let's see what we can do. That's sneaky. I didn't even see that. I don't know if I've got a tool that will reach that. This might. Oh, it's smaller than this. Dang. They are sneaky over there in old Chinatown. Oh, I had the right one. It's a tri-winged screw in there. That's what's holding it all together. So they don't want you fooling with it, I guess. It's not a standard Phillips or straight blade. It's a Alright, I think I got all the screws loose. I'm going to flip this over. Watch for all the screws to fall out, probably. Yeah, look at the head of that. That's the kind of screw that's in it. I think it's tri-wing. I don't know. I think that's what they call it. Alright. Cover's starting to come off. Alright. There's the inside looks. Looks like bugs have been in here and stuff. Here's the battery compartment area. So a negative and a positive right there. Yeah, it's all rusted. I think that needs new battery contact things put on it. Let's let me get a marker so I can mark positive and negative. So negative, positive. So that wire there and that wire there. So I know if I need to snip them off. So I'm gonna. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm snip them off. Snip them off. Leave a little on there. And then we'll snip off a little bit right here. And I'm gonna apply power right there. Let's see. Oh, look, lights are on. So our battery contacts are a problem. Okay, it won't lift it up. Okay, this one does the lights on and off, so you see the lights are both on. So this switch right here does the lights up here. So you see it turns it off and on. This switch right here does ladder left and ladder right. So I guess you can fold it out on your own like this manually. And then this does it left. And then this moves it right. So yeah, see, it's working. It's just that battery compartment thing is messed up, so we're going to have to fix that. So the little motor thing's working. This doodad there is all working. It's just the battery compartment thing, so I'm going to have to fix that. I'm going to have to get a new 3-pack battery pack compartment thing, and then we'll either... Now see what they did was they melted part of it in the corners to help fuse the plastic together. So we can probably chisel that out of there. Possibly just replace the whole thing. If not, take power off of it. If not, we will have to... I don't know what the speaker does. I mean, I don't know what sounds it's supposed to make. Maybe it's a siren, but it's not... Where's this? Let's put power to it again real quick. See if that makes... Because there's a speaker there, right? I don't know. Some of these, flashlights and make siren noises, but I don't know if this one does. I guess I'll find a YouTube video and see if there's a video of a Tonka Firetruck from 2004.
Tonka Fire Department on the scene.
Oh, there it does, see? So when you do... So let's see if you turn the lights on, see if the lights flash or do anything when you do this little button here.
Copy that. Tonka Fire Department on the way.
Yep.
It's a 4-alarm fire, Chief. Tonka Fire Department on the scene.
Yeah, $6 this thing, and this needs a new battery compartment thing replaced into all those little springs that are all rusted because someone left the batteries in there too long and it just degraded and corroded everything. Alright, that little gear mechanism probably needs a little... Probably needs... All the teeth are there, but probably needs... I don't know if you can... Yeah, you can probably... I might be able to tighten that up a little bit, because it's jiggling a little bit. Let me pull this out for something to over-torque it and strip it or something. Oop. It kind of jerks around a little bit, so one of the kids had this probably, fought over it or something, and maybe messed up this little gearbox a little bit. There's probably a tooth missing or something. You probably can't fix this. You would have to just replace it, probably, most likely. But it's kind of cool that everything's working on it. Oops. I don't know if everything was working, but the power supply wire comes off. That'll keep it from working.
Tonka Fire Department, on the scene!
Alright, well, I'll have to come back to this a different day. I don't have the spring mechanisms for the battery compartment thing. I don't have that here. But I know which wire goes where, so we know everything else is working fine. So this would be a cute little gift for the little girl. We have our oldest is 3.5. And then we have a set of twins that'll be 2 at the end of December 23rd. So right near the end of this year, it'll be 2. So I'm sure that they'll fight over this one. But pretty neat. I'm glad we can get this going for her. I paid $6 for it. We'll spend another $6 on springs. The whole compartment, probably less than that, with shipping and everything. But that's still cheaper than buying a new one. I'm a cheapskate. Alright, well, subscribe to the channel if you like. Maybe we'll make more little videos like this on stuff like this. If we see something cheap or something at the thrift store and it's got some electronics to it of some sort and some mechanical gear things, maybe we can make more little videos like this. It'll be kind of neat. Alright, well, subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you later on.